Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate pudding cake. It's basically a chocolate cake that forms a fudge sauce as it bakes, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then set it aside for now. Then in a larger bowl, add in the milk, melted butter, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. And set this aside for now. And now in another small bowl, add in the sugar, brown sugar, and cocoa powder, and whisk them together until they're well combined. Set a small pot of water onto the stove and let it boil. Grease an 8-inch square baking pan. Then pour the cake batter into the pan. And evenly spread it in the pan. And then sprinkle the cocoa and sugar mixture on top. Once the pot of water is boiling, measure the amounts that you need. And then pour it into the pan. And now don't stir it, just leave it as is. And then bake it in the oven for about 35 minutes. Then once done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 15 minutes. And it's best served within 15 minutes after it comes out of the oven. And of course, add a scoop of ice cream to the top. And that's how to make chocolate pudding cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.